Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Roundup Concentrate is probably one of the most essential tools in any gardener's arsenal, offering a powerful and efficient solution to reclaim your outdoor spaces from stubborn weeds and unwanted vegetation, ensuring your lawns and flowerbeds can truly thrive without competition, making it a crucial investment for maintaining a pristine and beautiful landscape. Number 5. Spruce Snap and Spray Weed and Grass Killer Kit. This worry-free formula is safe to use around people and pets when directed. It can treat up to 400 weeds with its blend of water, essential oils, and surfactant. See visible results in just 1 hour. It works by breaking down plant cells, causing weeds to die from dehydration. This powerful spray eliminates all types of broadleaf and grassy weeds, including dandelions and crabgrass. This formula is great for various areas like mulch beds, driveways, and walkways. You can also use it for spot treating weeds in landscape areas, raised beds, and gardens. For best results, apply it at the first sign of weed growth. Using it is simple. Just slide the switch to unlocked and hold the paddle until it sprays. Hold the nozzle 12 inches from weeds, spraying the entire plant until it's thoroughly wet. Afterward, slide the switch to locked. This simplified kit comes with a reusable wand and a 64-ounce bottle of no-mix, no-pour, no-mess herbicide. Be sure to stock up on refills to keep your garden pristine. For tough cracks and edges, consider trying EaseM. What we like? This formula offers a worry-free solution for your garden. It's safe to use around people and pets when directed, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a quick, safe, and convenient spot treatment option, this ready-to-use kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This concentrate provides powerful weed elimination, effectively clearing unwanted vegetation. The product's formulation ensures thorough coverage and systemic action for complete weed control. Number 4. Roundup Max Control 365 Vegetation Killer. Tired of stubborn weeds taking over your outdoor spaces? This powerful solution is designed to tackle even the toughest vegetation. It not only kills existing weeds but also prevents new ones for up to 12 months. An invisible barrier in the soil ensures your areas stay clear. This product works deep, eliminating weeds right down to the root. We're so confident, it comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Apply it with ease on driveways, patios, sidewalks, and gravel areas. It's the ideal choice for keeping these spaces pristine. You'll see visible results in just 12 hours. Plus, it's rainproof in only 30 minutes, so you don't have to worry about the weather. What we like? This concentrate provides ultimate control, killing and preventing weeds for up to 12 months. It creates an invisible barrier in the soil for long-term protection. If you have areas like driveways, patios, or gravel that you want to keep weed-free all year, this is the product for you. What people say. Number 3. Roundup Quick Pro. This powerful solution comes in a convenient box. Just one box can yield up to 5 gallons of effective herbicide. It's designed for broad coverage. Its effectiveness comes from a potent blend of active ingredients. It contains 73.3% glyphosate and 2.9% diquat. These work together for rapid results. This herbicide is ideal for tackling undesirable vegetation wherever it appears. It provides a quick solution for clearing areas. You can use it to reclaim your space. When applying it, always exercise extra caution. Ensure that any non-target vegetation is shielded from drift. This helps protect your valuable plants. Mixing this product is straightforward. Simply combine 1.5 ounces of it with 1 gallon of water. Follow these instructions for optimal performance. What we like? This powerful formula combines 2 strong active ingredients for maximum effectiveness. It's designed for use anywhere there is undesirable vegetation, offering broad application. If you need to tackle large areas of tough weeds and want a highly concentrated, professional-grade solution, this product delivers. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Roundup Concentrate Poison Ivy Killer plus Tough Brush Killer. Tired of stubborn weeds taking over your yard? This powerful concentrate combines 2 tough brush-killing ingredients. It's designed to tackle even the most resilient weeds and grasses. Don't just cut them down, eliminate them completely. This formula works deep, killing weeds right to the root. Say goodbye to regrowth. No need to worry about the weather ruining your hard work. It becomes rainproof in just 30 minutes. Apply it and let it do its job, rain or shine. See the difference quickly. You'll notice visible results in as little as 24 hours. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier outdoor space sooner. Beyond common weeds, it specifically targets troublesome ivies. This includes poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac, keeping your family safe. It also effectively eliminates invasive vines and shrubs. Tackle kudzu and wild blackberry, reclaiming your landscape from these aggressive plants. What we like. This specialized concentrate is formulated to tackle the toughest invaders. It effectively kills poison ivy, poison oak, and other invasive vines and shrubs to the root. If you are battling stubborn brush, woody weeds, or hazardous plants like poison ivy, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The product's concentrated formula provides excellent coverage and can be diluted to suit specific weed control needs. It effectively targets and kills a wide range of stubborn weeds, ensuring thorough eradication from the treated area. Users report rapid visible effects, with weeds showing signs of distress and dying completely within a short time frame. Number 1. Roundup Concentrate Plus. This powerful formula targets and eliminates even the toughest weeds and grasses. It works its way down to the root, ensuring they won't grow back. No need to worry about the weather. It becomes rainproof in just 30 minutes, so your hard work stays effective. Thanks to Fast Act technology, you'll see visible results quickly. It starts working in as fast as 9 hours, giving you a cleaner look sooner. You can safely use it around your flowers, shrubs, and trees. It's also perfect for patios, walkways, and driveways. Apply it along fences, foundations, and in gravel or mulch beds. It's even suitable for large areas like lawn replacements or preparing garden plots. For best results, simply apply it using a Roundup brand tank sprayer. This ensures even and effective coverage. What we like. This concentrate features Fast Act technology, delivering visible results in as fast as 9 hours. It also comes with an easy measure cap for hassle-free mixing. If you need a fast-acting, versatile solution for general weed and grass control around your landscape and hardscapes, this product is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.